Well, well, well. What's up, everybody? All right. I got this shit bumping in my ears. Hold on. All right. What is good? Welcome to the stream, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed your weekend. I hope you've enjoyed your last couple days. In case you haven't, well, why haven't you? But click like, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so you see what we do whenever we do it. When is that? Whenever, often, recently, sometimes. Pay attention, y'all. We're here to make money and learn. What are y'all here to do? Party and bullshit? Because I'm here for that too. All right, so let's just jump right on in some of this. I gotta tell you, been a heck of a day. Been a heck of a day. It really has. What's up, everybody? We got Crypto CCS. What's up, my friend? He says I'm all early and on time. That's a big deal. Jeremy, what's up? Aunt Lawson, hello. What's up, Mullet? Let me tell y'all, I've had a day. Yo XCM yo. Oh yeah, I see XCM at 1%. Let's go over a couple things real quick. Number one, if you donate, I drink. I then donate all the money that you donate to a worthy cause. I don't want your money. I don't want none of your shit. I'm doing really well for myself over here. Okay. I already got a little bit of a lazy eye going tonight. Okay. My man Darth sent me some blue agave tequila. Oh yes. That's what we're having tonight with a little concoction mixed into it. Hey, what's up, Robert Morris? Drizzy, my guy. Pops. E. Phillips. I'm glad to see the crew here. Let's just drink one for the crew right there. Oh, man, that tequila is good, though. Ooh. All right, so I put this thumbnail up there with Ricky from Trailer Park Boys saying, I told us so. I told us so. I'm not the kind of rub it in kind of person, but when I shared this chart on the stream a couple streams ago, when I shared the thumbnail of MITHRIL, pointing, saying, "Hey man, I think this thing's going to cross, and I think we're going to get some good vibes here from this one." I got a lot of messages saying, "Why are you doing shit coins? What is it?" Well, we got news, folks. I'm sorry, but shit coins make us a lot of money. All right, shit coins make us a lot of money. I don't care about the project. I'm here to make the money. I'm here to get paid. I'm going to move on with my life and do something else, okay? What's up, Silent Doom? Never saw you on here before. Glad to have you. China Matt? Oh, China Matt. Gift that for me because I'm going to use that all the time. Jeremy said, I fucking told us so. Drizzy said, I told us so. Thank you. What's up, Kelly Slade? I hope you bought some myth the other day when we were on the stream. Because guess what, man? The streams that we do here, the prices and the money is accurate. Every single time I do a stream, we have accurate information on it. Not everything. Not everything's accurate. But gosh, I just need y'all to know that it's not me that's doing this. We have a whole group of guys and women who are doing this on the side over here. All the people in the blue over here that you see, all those are part of the assassins, okay? Those are the OG assassins. Those are the ones who are in the group doing this hard work every day. We throw up charts non-stop, 24/7, chart. And the benefits that we get are this, okay? Big gains. So, when I last shared this chart, this green candle wasn't even here. It was way down here. And I just put this sign saying money cross, Once this 8 and 21 crosses, hey, that's our long signal for the monthly chart. This wasn't even crossed last stream, okay? But since then, it's crossed, which tells me, hey, you know what? Maybe next month we get some down, maybe. But right now, we're living large, okay? I drew these boxes. What are these boxes for? Well, these boxes were my target boxes. I even labeled them really nicely for you. Target 1, target 2. Look what happened. It went right to them. Is this crazy or is this crazy? Okay, that's what I thought. This same June 19 area keeps getting struck by charts over and over and over again. All right. I can go all the way down a list of charts that have already gotten hit or the ones that haven't gotten hit yet. Okay. And we're going to go over some of those here in a little bit. Hey, what's up, 312? Oh, you like you like Four Roses whiskey, man. Hey, Four Roses is great. I just moved on to some more expensive stuff. I know nothing wrong with Four Roses because it's only $20 for $20 a fifth. And I'm down for some cheap liquor because cheap liquor is what I was raised on. But you know, this nice stuff's nice too. You know what I mean? I don't know how much this tequila was that Darth sent me. Somebody can look it up. It's Mijenta Tequila Respetado, and that's blue agave. It's good. It's got an interesting flavor to it. It's got a little bit of an aged flavor, you know. Got that Cuervo flavor, but it's a little different. Obviously, right now, MITHRIL is showing you some down. Yeah, Robert, it was acting up for me earlier too, when I was trying to send some funds around. Obviously, we got a little bit of a down candle right now. It's down 4.5%. This same thing happened yesterday. Okay, so I went to bed and MITHRIL was down. I want to say 5% yesterday. Let's go to the daily. You already seen the monthly chart. You know what's happened. Yeah, you go. This thing set a nice wick on the daily. It came all the way down to the 8 and basically touched and then popped back up. Okay, I bought more when that happened. So as you see, right here was my buy line. Okay, I bought $6,900 worth at this point. Now, why in the world would I go in on a chart like that heavy? Well, it's pretty simple, okay? What did we do? We hit support. My line was a little higher than that, right there. Okay, I already had this buy line set, okay? And when it hit it. I knew we were going to hit support. So, actually, you know what? It was down here. I bought right in here. I knew we were going to come down and hit the support zone. I didn't know how far down we would go. I knew we had all these moving averages under it. And those moving averages were going to... I'm going to take these Bollinger Bands off real quick. I knew those moving averages were going to help catch the price and hold it up, prop it up. Because this is what didn't happen last year. Before last year, this price was underneath all these averages most of the time. Okay? And now, most of the time, we're over those averages. Okay, we flipped that. We're no longer bearish. We are bullish. Does that make sense to you? We're no longer in a downtrend. We're in an uptrend. Okay, not technically, Kelly. I'll say this: everyone should have a VPN on all the time, 24/7. Kelly, always. You should always have one on. Okay, always. So anyway, we hit the support area. I bought right at 786, I believe. When I bought at 786, pop it came. Now, it fell back down, and that kind of sucked for a little bit. But look, it never really was I mean, you had a sale, but it didn't really consistently hold a sale. Look, you had one candle down, one candle up, one candle down. This second candle, you could have said close, but you never had an 821 downward cross, did you? And never got it. It popped right back up, and then it gave you multiple chances to buy right here. Again, never a sale. That's a buy the whole way. And then up we go. All the way up to here. And I sold right in this area. I want to say I sold 3 different times. I sold here, and then here, and then here. I finally sold everything off. I sold all of it. All of it. And I used my gains to move on to something else. That's another thing I wanted to say tonight. Whenever you kill a chart like this, and you kill a move, and you make a great gain, don't get emotionally attached. Take your move and go somewhere else, okay? Find another chart that has a very similar setup, that has all the indicators telling you what you want to see. Find a price action that you like best and get in on that. Don't guess. Don't shoot blindly in the dark. Find the chart that looks right to you, okay? And then go. Don't just say, I think this one's going to go now because it hasn't. You can do that, but you can't do that because that's what people have been doing. I get one freebie with XRP forever that it's been blindly throwing money at it saying, oh, you know what, it looks like it might. And it never has, okay? It never has. You've been waiting for 3.5 years now, and it still hasn't. Okay, at some point, you need to call a spade and start removing your emotions and going and doing the smart thing, not the heartfelt thing, okay? Because money does not care about you. You need to take your money when you make a gain and move on, okay? Move on. You know what, Kelly? Interestingly enough, I like the layout and the interface of KuCoin. What I don't like is the low liquidity. I don't like the low liquidity. I like that you have a main account, a trading account, and a pool account. I like that. I like that they offer hardcore staking and low core staking. They offer futures. That's cool with me. I just don't like the I don't like the fact that it's really hard to get a buy and a sell in sometimes. And that's just the fact that they have low liquidity. They're not a big exchange, so they don't have a whole lot of money. I get it. Either way, I sold up here. Some other folks sold. Some other people tried to sell and couldn't get a sale in because things were glitching out on them and stuff. Like you said, Kelly, people are having trouble. I'm rate limited to mullet. I'm down to 5%. I'm limited at 5%, which is fine. Let me look real fast right here and see did this one trade I made turn around or not. Yeah, okay, it's holding out. Yeah, I actually bought some TRX right here. Yeah, it's turning out. It's turning out. Let me check that real quick. Y'all know when I'm trading and I'm doing a futures trade, I gotta focus in on that. And if I gotta stop what I'm doing for a second and you know what I'm saying, double check, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm up 17% on that TRX long right here. Let me label that because I forgot to label it. There we go. I do that for my own personal self, so I remember what I did. Okay, I gotta remember what I'm doing. What if that move shows you more up, Jeremy? Everything retraces, especially when you don't want it to. That's the best way to describe what your question is. Everything comes down, especially when you don't want it to. Right when you think you've got it figured out, the chart goes opposite of what you want it to do. I've learned just to not argue with the chart. Don't argue with it. If the chart says go, go. If the chart says stop, please stop. I'm more careful with what I do nowadays. You know, after losing my ass on futures before, and learning the hard way of what you do and what you don't do. It took me a while to figure out, hey Keith, you know, you're not a god, you're not a genius, you're no smarter than the people that you're trading against or the bots you're trading against, and you need to be more realistic. And since then, I've drastically changed my strategy with futures, and I haven't lost my ass since then. And it was a good move. Now, obviously, I'm not making, 20 and 30 grand moves like I was before, but I'm still doing pretty well. And that's just tinkering around with small amounts of money that I used to then prop up spot trades with, okay? That way I don't lose it. I just move it right back over into something that I think is going to stick around. Safer that way. What do I see Myth doing now? Well, let's get into that. Let me pull up Coin Trader here, and let's have a gander. I'm going to go to Coin Trader because it has all the data. There's more data there to examine. You can see more. Now, let's go to Myth. Then we'll get on to Bitcoin, and we'll get on to whatever else. Moving kind of slow on CoinTrader. There it goes. Yeah, you've seen the Binance chart. It's my Opera browser that's tweaking out, by the way, not anything else. You've seen the Myth chart monthly was much smaller than that. You know what I mean? Much smaller. And the high right here is 0.52. Well, the high over here, much higher, $1.55. There's more data here for you to look at. If you look at that extra data, you start to see that, hey, look, the monthly bounced right off the 50 fib. Holy cow. Smacked the 50 fib perfectly and bounced down. Now, what could happen here? Could it push on through? Yes, it could. That's also the June 19 area that we've seen multiple other coins hit. We bounced off that area. We could come over it and then sit on the top, like VET, KNC, ADA, ZRX, or RSR, Kava, 100 other coins. They all did the same move. They went over June and bounced and then moved some more. Okay, this one hasn't done that yet, but what I like about it is there's not very much more chart resistance up here beyond the zone we're at. Okay, you got some here, obviously, and that makes me think it's going to get hung up for a little bit, and after it gets hung up, we're going to get more movement here. We just have to kind of wait it out a little bit. I'm going to wait for another good solid buy signal on MITHRIL before I go back in it again, because I got a lot out of it and I don't want to be emotional here. I got so much out of it that I just kind of want to shut my mouth and take what I got and walk away. Like I said, it's important that when you make a killer trade, walk away. You made your money. Don't be a dick and jump back in there like you're just going to haul off and make some more. That hussy going to get you, okay? That hussy will get you. You can't be stupid. You make your money and you move on, okay? A rule of thumb for a drug dealer is he only hustles on the one corner for so long till he moves to the next corner. And then he moves from that corner to another corner. And then maybe back to the original corner. And why does he do that? Because he's not stupid. You're going to get caught. Okay, move around a little bit. Don't get caught. Let me answer some of these questions real quick. Yeah, what Jeremy just said is interesting. Says, so at that point you're gambling, but if you're gambling with a free ride in coin, are you really gambling at that point? Hey, free rides are awesome. We love talking about free rides. When you make you make a move, you cut profit, and you move it somewhere else. You care less about whether you lose, don't you? Because you made gains on that, and those gains weren't even there before. So you don't necessarily get as upset about it if it doesn't do exactly what you want, do you? Now, what comes with that is you had to make the right trade the first time. And if you made the right trade the first time, now you have the confidence to make another trade. Now, remember, you're going to lose at some point. At some point, these charts are going to kick you right square in the dick. And when that happens, you need to figure out what you're doing wrong and fix it. Don't repeat the same thing over and over again and expect it to change. It's Einstein's definition of insanity, folks. Constant repetition with the expectation of a differential. Don't be that guy or girl or Zimzer, whatever you call yourself. Let's see. With all the alt shoot to the moon at the same time when all sees. I don't think anything's going to the moon. 312. It's just slow, steady, technical moves, and I know they look like moonshots, but they're not. It's all technical. Move here to here. Move here to here. Move here to here. And some go faster than others. Some have more or less resistance. Okay. Pundy and SHA are killing it. Right. We'll look at those. You know what? I'm going to look at that after the stream, Jeremy, because I want to see myself. I think I was supposed to have XYM also, but to be honest with you, I've had so much going on, and then some things happened today, and I made a lot of money, and then I got some other stuff set up, and I had my mind other places. I was watching charts. I was talking to people. I was helping people. It was a bit of a wild day. That's why I want to do this full time. I don't want to have to go to work anymore. I wore my nice shirt for the stream, by the way, because the Tar Heels made the tournament. So I wore my nice polo. This is the nicest shirt I got. Y'all kiss my ass if you don't like it. Let's see. That hussy gonna get you. You're damn right, Frank. Also, I thought it might be go to the symbol wallet. Yeah, I did the symbol wallet. I just got to set it up. You know what, Doom? I don't think it'll be a gamble. ADA is over all-time high. It's clear to keep going. I'll show you what I'm talking about. It has nothing to do with the listing, I don't think. And it's only going to be listed on Coinbase Pro. I know we stuttered right there for a second. Give it a second and we'll catch back up. I'm going to switch out to Google Chrome. Hold on. I see what's happening already. Hang on a second. We're glitching. This Opera browser is tripping on me. All right. Now, here we go. See, it's Opera browser, man. It's tripping on me. Whatever, Opera browser. Now, let me know if y'all can hear me again. I fucking hate when that happens. Let me pull my charts back up, y'all. I'll pull ADA up so we're looking at the same thing. I don't like using Google Chrome, but Google Chrome seems to work better. You know what I mean? Opera browser keeps letting me down, man. I'm going to unpin that heifer. Unpinned. There you go. And I'm going to get TradingView pulled up here too. I just don't like how Google uses all my damn data. You know what I mean? Y'all know y'all the big dogs and you got all the best stuff, but I just don't like you selling all my fucking data all the time. All right, so yeah, about the Coinbase trading, about the Coinbase listing. It's Coinbase only. It's the Coinbase Pro only. It's not anything to do with regular Coinbase. So you see here, brother, we're already over all-time high. The signals have been thrown. The signals have been thrown. It smacked all-time high and it fell short. Yeah, but we're drawing a nice little wick. And it's over the 8 on the weekly, and it's over the week on the daily. I just don't think it's done. You're seeing it now. There's too much buy pressure here. Could this fall short and make an ugly candle? Yes, but it's got the same parabolic price action right here. I'll highlight this for you. Right here. Same price action. Let's see. Damn, Deo. Holy shit, Dustin. Bro. Dustin Deo with a $60 donation bomb. I guess we'll drink this whole fucking thing right here, which is like 4 shots of tequila. Bro, I hope you're doing well, Dustin. I appreciate the shit of it, my guy. We over here making money. I hope you're making money too. Shit's been wild, my guy. It's been a hell of a couple days, man. So cheers to you. I appreciate it, my friend. Dustin is an OG. Oh boy. I don't know. Tequila's pretty stout. But I'm gonna do it. Oh boy. Damn, Deo. Oh boy, you're trying to kill me, my friend. Whew. All right. Now that I'm half dead, I got to work tomorrow, but I'm working with Snap-on. So we might be taking it easy tomorrow. We're supposed to have some really bad thunderstorms too. Like, it's supposed to be really bad. So, oh, okay. I appreciate it. I see it now. Yeah, fucking stupid. I'll just start using Chrome from now on, man. I've been let down for the last time from Opera. I don't know what the deal is, dude. It's like it twitches out when it uses a new enough Windows version. Because I updated the Windows in here, and it's good to go. All right, so, whew, damn, bro. Hey, let me know if you need anything, Dustin. I appreciate it, my friend. You're a badass, dude. You're a badass. Hey, what's up, Rug, by the way? So, we see this parabolic price action right here. You got the same parabolic price action right here. It's the same exact style move, hanging over the 8 and over the 21. Everybody keeps trying to guess and say, oh, I see what it's going to do. It's going to fall. Stop. Right here it is again. All right? I don't need you to say this is some kind of magic fractal, because it's not. It's just parabolic price action. It's a standard move, okay? If we can break this and make a new higher high, guess what? We're going to get another one. And I just showed you this is the all-time high line right here at 131. It made an all-time high the other day, but it didn't close. It just wicked. But it's stuck, right? It has not closed over all-time high just yet. So what's going to happen there is you're going to see, oh, my God, ADA shoots up because of, no. It was already going to do it. Look at this chart, okay? Pay attention. Pay attention. David R., bro. Y'all are going to kill me. Y'all are going to kill me. How you going to want me to die? I don't understand. How people want me to die? What's the deal? Why you want to kill me? We making money over here. Why y'all mad, man? David R., my man. Thank you, sir. All right, David R., I need you to text me over on Telegram and let me know your info so I can shoot you a sticker. Dayo, I know you're listening now. I need you to shoot me your info over on Telegram so I can send you some stickers, my friend. You be donating, and I got stickers for you. I got tons of them. Tons of them. Okay? By the way, if you want to buy these, jump over to the Classroom website and get them. What's the Classroom website? It's in the description of this video. In every description of every video I do, the Classroom website is in there. Also, if y'all haven't, jump over and check out Viking Vision's channel, man. Another good guy, dude. He does a really cool thing with his channel. It's something different from crypto. It's not your normal crypto. You know, he gives you the news with it, and then he gives you the other spin of it of what the chart's looking like to go with that news. Okay, he doesn't just want to spout out some bullshit. Okay, which is cool. I appreciate him. Millie, my God, dude. You can make it, Keith. You can do it. You're going to get through this. You're going to do it. You're going to get through this. You're going to be all right. All right, here we go. Oh, my God. Whew. I don't know, man. It's going to be a rough Tuesday. Wednesday. We're going to make it, though. All right. You know what? Jeremy, you made an interesting point. He said every time I mention crypto to someone, they ask me, did I get into Doge? Same thing here. It used to be Bitcoin. Now they all just say, did you get into Doge? Is that what you did? You get into Doge? Fuck out of here, bro. All right. So we've talked about Myth. We've talked about ADA. Let's do SHA because Safe Haven has gone crazy. My tequila's good. I'm going to be honest with you. Like, it takes a second for it to build on you or whatever, you know. But once it builds on you, you go, okay. It's got that little, that little pop to it. I don't see it on the freaking list anyway. There we go. Yeah, there's your Safe Haven chart. I got two different fibs pulled up right here. I had one for the reversal, and I had one for the up move here. And as you see, we hit our 1272, and this is the big fib here. This is the all-time fib set right here. It's the all-time fib set. We come up and we struck 1272, which is our first profit line. So I took my profits on SHA, and I know some other guys took their profits, all right? Took our profits and moved on. Now, I didn't take all my profits. I only pulled some of them out of a Safe Haven. Some of them. Yeah, I know, Darth. Bro, you see I done whittled the bottle down from the top a little bit here, okay? We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. I promise. We're gonna make it. I took some of my profits here, and I know some other people who did also. Some people just took them and got back in and bought at a discount, which is also a great idea. You dollar cost average yourself into extra coins because you're gonna hold this one, for a longer period of time. It's broken all-time high. There's a good possibility that it retests all-time high. There's also a chance it could just hang out right here and then go back up to 172 and then up to 1414 and then 1618 where I expect it to go, okay? I expect it to go all the way to 19 or almost 2 cent flat, 2 cent flat for Safe Haven. From there, we can do more, okay? But we got to get over this first hump too and do our first move, and then our second move can come after that. But let's go one foot in front of the other here, okay? Obviously, we had beautiful price action. We erase this all-time fib because we've seen it. Let's go to a more close view here of what we had already happened right here. Yeah, you see, we broke all-time high. We broke right through 786, 886 on this small frame right here. A small new higher high. Went all the way up to clear to 1414 and bounced off of 1272, hung up here. It would be cool if this could hang up right here and stay. Now, there's a possibility, like I said, since this is all-time high and this is all-time high, that it's just going to come down here and bounce on top and then make another move. You know what I mean? I kind of feel like that's probably going to happen. And then we get into some parabolic price action here. But we need to see one thing happen after the one thing happen first, and then keep it. Snap on, bro. Steven, my man. You see what he put right there? Hangover Wednesday. You've seen how much I done drunk already, right? You understand, Steven. I ain't gonna do much tomorrow, my friend. And I'm expecting you don't either. I'm bringing you stickers tomorrow. Even though you won't put them on them fancy ass tools, I'm bringing you stickers tomorrow. Oh my God, I can't drink much more of that. I'll die. Wow. Okay, forward facing and forward moving, right? Whew. Yeah, me too. I'm rooting for Deo, man. He's a good dude. I don't like seeing. We lose too many good people, man. We lose too many good people, and there's too many shitty people around in the world. I deal with them every day, and I'm like, what the fuck are you messaging me for? I do nothing but try to help people. Why are you mad at me? What did I do to you to hurt your feelings? What did I do? Well, I didn't do nothing, but people still want to talk shit to me. Either way, safe haven. I'd like to see some more. Looks great so far. Took my profits. Happy about it. Nice, Chi-Town. I appreciate it, my friend. I hope you liked them stickers. If you want some more, let me know. We'll shoot you some more. Let's see. Let's have a gander at XLM. Let's have a gander at Zap. And I'm not saying it, Frank. I ain't got much more in me, bro, before I pass out. Unless y'all want to see me die on live camera. All right, so look, we'll do Ripple Coin real quick. I actually got a little bit of this. Why? Because it's one of the few charts that hasn't done anything. And the very same thing I told you not to do, which was just buy something because it hasn't done anything, I did. But there was more to it than that. I bought this thing resting on these moving averages. I bought it resting on support. I like that move right there. I like the fact that it slapped support and hasn't bottomed out yet. And that to me says, hey, I don't want to sell. I want to stay up there. And I'm cool with it, bro. High fiving you, okay? Now, it's under the 50 fib right here, and I don't like that. But I do like that it broke the 8 and the 21, and it's trying to hang above the 50 right here, okay? That's good to me. I'm with that, all right? I'd like to see this thing move up here toward 57 cents again. But it really needs to break 48 first. Once it breaks 48, we're going to have a chance to get up higher. There's a ton of shit right here, though, okay? All this zone right here, all this, there's a lot of shit in the way for this price to get up higher, all right? That's a lot to get through, all right? I don't expect it just shoots right up through. And if it does shoot right up through, it's going to come back down and sit on top. So even if this thing goes crazy, right, and goes way up here to 1414 and 1618, it's going to come back and rest on this neckline, which is right here at roughly 65 cents. Even if it does blow the top here, it's going to come back and sit here. So you're going to get another buy chance. So I don't want anybody to go nuts and think you've got to go diving into something. Because, hey, I'm going to tell you, eventually this coin will do something. Everything else has done something. To exclude one would be foolish, okay? Especially with the realistic use case that this coin has. I don't care about that, but I would say that long term, that's beneficial. All right? So I've said the beneficial part. Let's actually see it do something rather than just talk about it. We can talk about it or we can be about it, folks. What you want to do. XLM. XLM let me down a little bit. I need to see this thing get back up. You've seen what Ripple did. This is actually at the same spot right here. Ripple got up and over. Let's look at that side by side so you can see what I'm talking about. Props to China Matt for the sweet indicator, by the way, that lets me put up 4 charts at once. XLM. Oh, you know what? We should try the 4 chart move real quick after I get this fixed up here. What the hell is XLM? Am I drunk? There it is. I'm a little bit drunk. And then we'll do XRP on this side. We'll do daily on both. Yeah, here you go. You can see the difference now. Yeah, there you go. On the left is XLM. You see that it failed the 50, and this one failed the 50. However, XLM hasn't popped up. Ripple coin has popped up. It's popped up and got back up over top here, where XLM has not. So, interestingly enough, I'd like to see it do that. Now, the difference in the money is, you know, XLM is way up higher over everything else than Ripple coin is here. You got beautiful parabolic moves here. It's a wonderful uptrend, an up channel right here. And Ripple coin just hasn't done that. It's falling flat on its face. And you can whine and say this is an SEC, whatever. Okay, we saw this happening before this SEC news ever dropped. All this happened before that, okay? And then the slow, failure, okay? I don't want to hear it. We've already seen that the trend didn't break right here. We've already seen that. It's finally trying to break trend again. Let's take another swing at it and see what happens. But Stellar, you're kind of showing me sell. Okay, I've already got that 821 downward cross. I already sold this and haven't bought any more Stellar since. You've passed this 50 moving average. It hasn't done anything. Makes me believe it's going to move sideways or down to the 100 moving average, the blue line here. Or are we going to get up and go? I don't see the get up and go part until it shows me something first. You're going to get a buy-in right here if it does happen. Around 41, 42 cents. If it gets up there and closes, that's good. I like that. But it hasn't done it yet. So, make me a believer. Make me a believer. Zap. And multiple people messaged me about Zap. And it's been a really nice looking chart. Let's see. Can you check B-Pro? They're compatible to Chili's, but a lower circulating supply. Got you. Can you do Algo and BZRX? I sure can. Missed the first 20. All right, I got you. Matt with the Indies. I swear he's a genius. Nah, more of a problem solver to find my ways ago. Hey, listen. China Matt is a freak of nature when it comes to numbers. I'm going to tell you right now, whether he likes to say it or not, he's a numbers guy. China Matt is a numbers guy. Whatever it is, he's smarter than me. That's all I know. And I'm lucky to have people who are smarter than me around me because I'm trying to learn everything they learn. He showed me some shit the other day, and I was like, wait, what? We haven't told everybody about that, but I was like, hold up. Say what? I was like, how is this even possible? So just know we're constantly in the background working on stuff, okay? He's even said he's an accountant. Okay, come on, dude. We got an accountant in the stream, bro. We have an accountant in the stream. Fuck out of here, dude. We're surrounded by smart people. If you come here, you're going to be surrounded by smart people. Acknowledge that and use it, okay? Don't blow your opportunities here. Don't blow your opportunities. Twitter said it had some problems going live and dropping coins. Said the live now. Says so no symbol info yet. Thank you, Mullet, because I'm supposed to be getting some too. Just haven't got it yet. So, you know what? Similar price action here on Zap. You see it broke this wedge north, and then it came it came up right here and then tested down right on the top of this support zone. Up and then tested the support zone. Bounced off of it cleanly, held the 8 and the 21, got back up over, gave you a good buy right here, and then it's been up since. Right here you had a buy opportunity on Zap. So you had this was a sale. Obviously this was a sale, but then you had a buy right here. It popped over, gave you two candles over the green. 8 EMA, you had this green candle, and then this red closed over. This was your buy chance right here. And then boom, 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 boom. How many percentage that? From buying right here, 75, 74.5, 75% if you played it by the 8 EMA rules right here, and nothing else. So pay attention, folks. You could have got 75% out of Zap. Let's see. Algo and BZRX. Let's do BZRX. I've never looked at BZRX, I don't think. I probably have, but bro, I'm a little drunk. BZRX right here. Okay, cool. This one's got a similar look to Ripple coin, only it's a little farther ahead. You see a clear trend break right here. This is good. This is 100% buy. If it fails, it fails. It's too good not to too good to pass on. So you pull that down. Yeah, look, oh man, that's good to go to at least 69.69. How about that number? Let's go. 69.69. Yeah, I like BZRX a lot. That looks really good to me. Makes me want to buy it. Makes me want to buy it right now. Shit, should I buy that? What did I buy? I bought Atom. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. I can't. I'm in too good of positions. Let's go shut up. Just shut up, Keith. You're doing all right. I don't want to get greedy. You know what I mean? It's hard to be a little greedy and not too much greedy. Okay, it's the market right now is popping, and I'm trying to be not a stupid idiot like I was before, and I'm trying to make sure I secure my gains this time rather than lose them. And I think I'm doing a pretty good job of it now. Lessons learned. You know what I mean? Algo, again, we went up in this green candle, slapped these higher fibs and got rejected. There's a blue trend line here that's an overall trend line. It's at the top of a channel. It really needs to break that before I get too excited. Indicators are turning up. The MACD is turning up just now. So that's a good sign. It is bouncing off the 8 right now. I like that. That's a good chance to buy. And if it fails, well, we have support. We got the 50 moving average here and the 100 moving average down here under 74 cents. But that's way too low. I like it to at least stay above the 50 right here at $1 flat. And, they got support at 90 cents also. So, again, this is one of those that have the June 19 area that it hasn't got hit yet. Part of the reason I'm in this, and I'm going to stay in this until otherwise noted, is the fact that you just saw the MITHRIL chart that hit this zone, didn't you? I just showed you this. This coin went up. MITHRIL went up here where June 19 is. See? June 19 right here. MITHRIL's up here. And, I mean, Algo looks very similar. This is a weekly chart. We'll put MITHRIL beside it. How about that? On the weekly. Size it up correctly so it doesn't look like I'm cheating. Let's hide all this bull mess. There we go. Yeah, look. I mean, they're the same chart, y'all. What do I need to tell you? Look, they're the same. Fuck out of here, dude. Now, only difference is, as you see, this one's up here June 19, and this one is way up here June 19. You've got 178% to go. Are you paying attention? Are you paying attention? Or are you just going to sit back and guess and stick with Ripple coin and stick with Bitcoin? And I'm not going to tell you what to do. It's your money. I don't do financial advice. I'm just a dude documenting my journey as I go along the way. Just know there's gains to be made here, and don't be an idiot. You can get paid, okay? You can get paid really, really well if you apply yourself and you pay attention. Let's see. NBS, I got you, and then we'll do feel. NBS. I got scenarios stuck in my head, man. Thanks to Steven, who put me on the Hip Hop Revolution on Netflix. Bro, they were playing a Tribe Called Quest, and they were playing Scenario. And then I listened to it on the way home, and that stuck in my head. And I keep hearing, say, what's the scenario? In my head, like over and over and over again. I can't get it out now. Why did I pick this drink up? Damn it, Keith. Just because sometimes you got to do it for the culture. Let me hydrate so I can walk tomorrow. 15 more minutes. This is a good looking chart, Drizzy. Got this pennant forming right here on the daily. Boy. We can go down lower on this and get an even better entry. But you probably should have already been in. This is a buy. Do 4 hours. Okay. I mean, you got an ugly candle showing right now. But look at the MACD. It's swooping down slowly. There's a good probability this turns up. The RSI is pretty flat and steady. Hasn't done anything really nuts except for this. So, the support. It's a little bit over support, but close. So, even if this fails, we got the 50 moving average right here. Right here. So, I mean, I still like this chart right here. If I bought this, I would have a stop loss of 0.26 flat. And that would be my stop loss because I like the prospects of this chart. I like the prospects. Yeah, 26 flat. Feel. What's the scenario? Check it out, Joe. Still something there, real. Man, it's stuck in my head, bro. Oh man, this is a nice looking chart, Kelly. I like it. Oh, this is cooking with grease. Look at that Flusy break that pennant. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Kelly Slade, man. Wow. Goodness gracious. TA doesn't work. TA does not work. Look at that thing set right on 1414. Wow. That's spooky, Kelly Slade. That's spooky. Hey, what's up, Rob? How's it going, my friend? Hey, you're welcome, villain. Thank you for showing up, my friend. I love it when people show up and actually pay attention, dude. It's awesome. The money that's getting thrown around right now is nuts. Like I said, I didn't say this yet, but I had my second best day ever in crypto today. Well, I guess earlier, but that was my second best day ever. I've been in the crypto for over 3 years now, and that's the best day I've ever had, which was blew my mind today. Okay, I woke up this morning at 5:30 to go to work, and I was like, okay, market looks decent, 4%, 3%, pretty good. I'm feeling pretty good about that, 4%, 3%. All of a sudden, I get to work and I didn't look at my phone because it was storming really bad this morning. It was like a monsoon outside, thunderstorming and stuff. And I was trying to drive, and the interstate over here is terrible, terrible because they're working on it. So you're driving in like Hot Wheels tracks going down the interstate right now, and that's not a joke. So I was super paying attention, and I wasn't looking at my phone at all. And I got to work, I opened my phone, I had like 35 messages, and I was like, what the fuck? 35 messages? And then somebody's like, Myth, hey man, look at Myth. Oh my God, Myth, thank you, Keith. Wow, Myth. Oh my God, Myth. I'm like, wait, what? And I looked at it, and that bitch was up 75%, and I about had a heart attack. And my hands was over there shaking. And then Steven was late to work this morning, so he was supposed to be working with me. And I'm like, bro, where are you at? And he's like, I'm gonna be late. And I was like, shit, okay. So then he shows up, and I'm like trying to chill and trying to play it cool. That I just moved my profits out, but my hands was shaking holding the mouse, right? I was like, oh my God. So Phil, Kelly, there's a high probability this thing keeps going to 1618 and then hangs out above 68 from now on. Above $68 from now on. If it can close here and hold it, then I think we may stay above 68 for good. Okay? It's got to hold it though. If it doesn't hold it, then we could come back down here and test 53 again. Not likely, but it's possible, okay? Feel is a really nice looking chart. It's one big inverse head and shoulders. That's a really nice looking chart. ZC. We can look at ZC. I mean, I'm actually in ZC and Mana. Let me speed up a little bit here. I'm going slow, but I'm also a little bit drunk. Boy, Mana. Holy cow. Look at this thing go. Oh, I'll do that right there. Okay, that was an old one. My goodness. This is a beautiful chart, too. So many good looks, y'all. Imagine being bearish right now. Whew. I feel sorry for them dudes. Okay, yeah, we smacked 1272 here, and we have getting rejected. This is a big fib right here on the weekly set. Getting rejected at 90 cents. So, okay, we're hitting the 8. Indicators are kind of high. This may test support here on Mana, but we're still a buy technically. It's still not a sell yet. It's not a sell yet. Let's give it a little bit of time. A little bit of time. ZC. All right, ZC is right on the danger zone, but not gone yet, okay? It's got an interesting price action here because it's 50-50, okay? It's got a wedge forming here, but not only is it forming a wedge, but it's in the wait a minute zone. Let me zoom in on that heifer. Yeah, I got some ZC. I bought this, and I've been on this for a while. Been holding on to it for a while. Some of these I bought when the market kind of went stale for a couple of days, and I've just stayed on them because I didn't want to panic. Yeah, this is right in the wait a minute zone. That's stuck right there. It can't hold that forever. What's the Bollinger Bands look like here? Getting tight? Yeah, they're getting tight. They're getting tight. That's going to squeeze in a little bit more. You know what? I like ZEC here. I like ZEC to pop. Take a gamble here. I like that to pop. It's got good support. Yeah, this support zone is really good here. I like ZC. That's a good play. It's a good play. I'll take a risk right there and say I like that, even though it's 50-50. I like the ZC play. Yeah, it's over the pivot. Yeah, I like ZC. I like ZC. That looks great to me. I'm with it. Man, I just need more money, guys. I need more money. Thank you, Ken. Thank you, Robert, man. You're the man. Appreciate it, bro. Robert's from Forex, and he's been over here in the crypto market blowing his mind, and now he's up here making gains, and he knows what's up. WTC Nomad. What's up, Nomad? I ain't seen you in a minute, my guy. What you been up to, dude? Damn, Nomad's an OG. I ain't seen him in a minute. Walton Chain, dude. We made a ton of money on Walton Chain, Nomad. Still a buy. You're over 6.8. You're over 618. You got a pennant forming. It may dance around just a little bit here. Oh, shit. What am I doing? There we go. It may dance around a little, but don't panic. Don't fret. Let it be, man. Let it be. It's making a pennant. It may have already broken the pennant. I wish YouTube was interactive, by the way. I was talking to someone about that the other day. I think this is already broken. I like WTC. Stay in it if you're in it. If not, I'm not going to tell you to buy, but it's a good look. I don't do financial advice. Hey, you're welcome, Kilo. What's up? TKY, Rob? I got you, bro. TKY. I have some TKY. Thank you, Dustin, Dustin Viking, and Papa Nick for kicking me in the dick and telling me to buy, and I finally bought. TKY has been a hell of a performer. Look at that thing go straight to 1618. I bought the green line. Yes, I really bought the green line. Why? Well, oh no, not TKY. We're talking about, I'm an idiot. Not TKY. It was TVK. TVK is the one that they told me to buy. Yeah, TKY, it hit 1618 right here. There's a ton of room on this coin to be made up. It is hitting some slop right here. All this slop is going to take a little bit to get through. So I expect a little bit of a peel back here to support. Where's June 19 at? Okay, right. Let me remove these red lines. Well, that red line I drew so long ago worked out great, didn't it? May, June, right here. Okay, so this, sure enough, June 19 area again. That area has been crucial. And we're hitting that area again. So we can either go above it and settle down on top of it, or we're going to fall short, recoup, and then go again, okay? And I kind of feel like that's what may happen because there's some shit to push through here. And then we have another area of shit to push through up here. So it's going to take a bit. But it's got, it's got good momentum already. That moved up a lot really fast, really quickly. So we'll see. It's going to get hung up somewhere right in here. So don't panic if it gets hung up because the chart has a long way to go up. This looks a lot like Myth. Very similar chart to Myth. It's a good looking chart. Let's see. Yeah, Kelly, SHA. Yeah, I already did Safe Haven. It struck one take profit line. But I think there's some more left in it. I like 1618 here because it's already broken all-time high, and that's 013. But I also like 2 cents flat. 2 cents flat. Okay, after 2 cents, Then we can try to do another parabolic move, but we need to hit those numbers first, okay? Once we hit those numbers, then we can talk about something else. I don't want to think too far out in the future here on these charts because you get into a little bit of a hopium situation, and I don't want that to happen. Let's see. Let's see. You bought some ZEC. Nice. I am. What's up, Nomad? I'm glad, man. He says, I watched one of the streams. I'm glad to see it. Legal Beef says, I'm here with free legal advice in case any of you delinquents need me. What's up, Legal Beefs, man? I'm glad to see you. How'd you hear about us? How'd you find out? What did you type in? Did it come from YouTube? Did it come from Facebook? Did it come from Twitter? Let me know. I'm just doing a little bit of learning on about how I can do my algorithms a little bit better to get more people watching and more people entertained, man. It's one thing to get on here and talk bullshit. It's another thing to be entertaining for a solid period of time. I try to do it for an hour now just to keep people interested. But I like to know where people come from. I mean, we're all over the world here. Like I said, I call them China Map for a reason because it's in China. Okay, then you got me here. You got people in California. We got people in Australia. Goombas is in Australia. We got guys over in Great Britain. We've got guys in India. We've got some in South America. We've got guys in Canada. We got guys in Slovenia, Germany. It's pretty wild, bro. Africa. We got guys in Dubai. Come on, man. We're worldwide here. Worldwide. It's really interesting. All right, so let's see. The ever-evolving acre. All right, so B Pro. Yeah, I didn't do B Pro, did I? I'm sorry, Danny. I try to get them all, but I'm an idiot and I miss some sometimes. Oh my God, look at this chart. I'm not sure what to think about this. Bro. Okay, so because it's gone so far, I have to go with the next extension at 6 cents. But that's a long way up already, isn't it? Man, that's a wild looking chart, bro. B Pro. Let's look and see if I can find it over here. Same thing. It's just a straight up and away chart. It got really far away from the 8 right here, so I would stay away from it for a moment. It can catch the 8 and hold it. That'd be great, but it also could come all the way down here to support where this parabolic move is. It could just make another parabolic move up here. I kind of expect that to stay above the 8, but I bet you it's going to touch the 8 somewhere in here, which is at 0177 for the 8 EMA. I bet it's going to touch it. I'm not going to say it, bro. I'm not going to say it. I was going to drop something there and I kicked myself in the ass. Oh, man, Nomad got laid off, bro. I feel it, dude. A lot of people did. Don't feel bad, dude. You're in the same position as a bunch of people, man. Moonrider, you're stupid, dude. You finally pulled the trigger. Never thought I'd see the light of day. Oh, God. Let's see. Assassins have no color, only stealth. All right, so it's 12 o'clock. Look, this is awesome. We had good fun tonight. I appreciate the donations from David R., from Dustin Dayo, from Millie. That's badass, y'all. Y'all are cool as shit, man. Thank y'all. Obviously, I'm going to donate that money. I'm not going to take none of it. I appreciate everybody coming on and checking us out. Thank y'all. Thank you, Rob, Mullet, Danny, Ken, Nomad, Legal Beefs, Nomad, bro. I ain't seen you forever. Thank you, man. That's awesome you showing up. Drizzy. I try to remember everybody from back in the day. I try to, but it's hard, man, because some people came and go so quick. And I made a lot of enemies back then just by sharing charts. People didn't like that shit. Pops, Kilo, Bev, Frank, Darth, Moonrider, Terry, all y'all guys. I appreciate everybody. Eric, thank you. I'll be back on Thursday. We'll do this again. We'll see what happens to the market until then. I'll be back. We'll get drunk on Thursday, as we always